Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most beautiful and fascinating birds in the world, the peacock. These stunning creatures are known for their vibrant feathers and unique behaviors. Let's dive into some amazing facts about peacocks. Peacocks are famous for their spectacular feathers. The feathers, especially those in the tail, are called train feathers. They have iridescent colors that shimmer in the light, creating a dazzling display. There are three main species of peacocks: the Indian peacock, the green peacock, and the Congo peacock. Each species has its own unique feather patterns and colors. The most famous feature of peacocks is their tail, or train, which they spread out in a fan shape. This display is used to attract mates. The bigger and more colorful the train, the more attractive the peacock appears to potential mates. The tail feathers have beautiful eye patterns, which are actually called ocelli. These eye spots help make the peacock's display even more impressive. They are believed to confuse and intimidate predators and rivals. Peacocks are omnivores, which means they eat a variety of foods. Their diet includes seeds, fruits, insects, and small animals. They forage on the ground, using their sharp beaks to find food. Peacocks are native to South Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka. They are also found in other parts of Asia and have been introduced to various regions around the world. Peacocks are known for their loud and distinctive calls. The sound is often described as a high-pitched meow or honk. They use these calls to communicate with each other and to establish their territory. Male peacocks, or peacocks, are the ones with the beautiful tail feathers. Female peafowls, on the other hand, have more muted colors and do not have the long tail feathers. The females are called peahens, and their job is to choose the best male based on his impressive display. Peacocks are social birds and often live in groups called parties. These groups can include several males and females, and they work together to find food and stay safe from predators. Peacocks have a unique way of moving. They strut and display their feathers in a graceful and elegant manner. This behavior is part of their courtship ritual and helps showcase their beauty. The peacock's feathers are not just for show. They help regulate body temperature and provide protection from the sun. The feathers also play a role in mating rituals and attracting partners. In conclusion, peacocks are truly magnificent birds with their dazzling feathers, unique behaviors, and interesting facts. Their beauty and charm make them one of nature's most extraordinary creatures. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey into the world of peacocks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts and adventures. Until next time, enjoy the beauty of nature.